Tita Ching Kitchen. Tonight, I'm gonna cook another Indian food. Yes, but before that, before I will introduce all my ingredients, I would like to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share Tita Ching channel. So don't forget as well to smash that notification bell so you will get updated every time that I will upload a new videos or recipe. So here we are the ingredients. Right in front of me I have a 1 kilogram of chicken. This is a one whole chicken. I just chop it myself and I already pot dry them. So on my right I got this yogurt, plain yogurt, and I got my olive oil here my fresh mint leaves. I'll chop them, and fresh coriander as well, 1 cup. And I got our garlic, ginger garlic paste, and a biryani powder, ready-made. And I got 3 green chili. I slit it in the middle. It's up to you guys how hot, how spicy you would like, you want with your biryani chicken biryani. And I got as well a 1 cup of tomatoes and 1 cup of onions. All right, so this is the ingredients for the chicken. Yes, don't get confused. On my left side I got the rice, ingredients for my rice as well. So this is my biryani rice naan. And so I got here mint leaves. I got as well salt. I got what do you call this now, cinnamon stick. And I got the Shahjeera, cardamom, green cardamom, and cloves. Ayan. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Now I will start by cooking the chicken. So what we're gonna do first, guys, is to heat the pan and put the olive oil. You can use a different kind of oil, guys. It's just a personal choice. I just choose olive oil personally because it is more healthy. Okay, the oil is now hot, so I'll now put the onions. Okay, so the onions are ready. I now then put the ginger garlic paste. Okay. I will just fry it for about 2 minutes. Add the chickens. Okay. Okay, so after 2 minutes, I'll then put the biryani. The biryani. Mix it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. And along the way you just have to splash a bit of water really use a bigger one, isn't it? Bigger. And just mix nicely. Takpan lang natin. I'll be right back after 2 minutes. Sliced tomatoes. Okay. Mix it well. And then let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Or until the tomatoes are soft. And the flame, it should be on medium to low heat. Okay. So, takpan muna natin. I'll be right back after 5 minutes. Now the plain yogurt. There we go. Then mix it well and mix. The I'm gonna put now is the chopped coriander and the mint leaves. Here are the mint leaves. Okay, and then mix together. The smell of the mint leaves is gorgeous. Next time I will use a bigger one, a bigger pan. Okay, so we'll just cook that one for about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes na po na niluluto yung kanyang mga ingredients, yung ating mint at coriander. So what I'm gonna do now is to put the lid on and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is done. Okay, we will just cook it on a low fire. Okay. Okay, so takpan na lang natin. I will come back and after 25 to or 30 minutes. Okay guys, while waiting for the chicken to be cooked, I will then prepare the biryani rice. Okay, so in a separate pan, I will put about 2.5 liters of water. I'll be right back when the water start to boil. Okay, the water is now starting to boil, so I then put the shahjeera, the cardamom, and the cloves. And and put the salt as well. Some of the mint leaves. Then make it sure that the salt has been dissolved before we will put the rice. Okay, the water is boiled. Okay, so I'll now then put the rice that I soaked this for 30 minutes ahead of time. Yeah. Then we will cook this about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay. I think this is now done, and we just need now to drain the water. Okay, I will just drain the water now. Meanwhile, let's check our chicken. Wow. Okay. This is now ready. We will now do the last step of the chicken biryani. Right, so what we call layering the rice and the chicken. So what I'll do is to put the rice. Ayan. Yeah. Okay. So put the chicken on top. Okay. Spread out evenly. And put the sauce as well. Put some mint leaves on top. To make it sure guys na talagang sealed na sealed para maluto, I will put aluminum foil so that it will seal. There we go. Alright, so let's check now guys. Okay. Kailangan na natin ayan. Okay. Really nice, guys. So I hope you will try this recipe. It's really, really nice. Okay. You can adjust the spice, the chili if you don't like it very hot. So you can adjust. I'll just put 3 chilies here. So it's not that bad. Okay, so let's eat. Taste test na natin. Okay. I am really hungry, so I will eat loads in here. Okay, so tikman natin. I'll have to taste now. Unang subo para sa inyong lahat na viewers ko. Highly recommended, guys. Please try this recipe. Really, really tasty. So, shout out po sa aking mga members. Kaya pasok na po kayo!